Okay. Today in the Homestead kitchen, we're going to be reviewing the Corn Cutter 2000. I just added the 2000 because it sounded good. The Corn Cutter, and it cost, I don't know, $6 or $7, and we seen it in the aisle at the store, so we thought we would give it a try. Basically, when you freeze corn on the cob, it takes up a lot of room in the freezer. But if you can find a way, like something like this, you know, we could actually can this corn, or we could just throw it in a bag and freeze it, and it's gonna keep our storage down, and we're gonna have more freezer space. So that's kind of the thinking behind it. So we're just kind of trying it out here, seeing how easy it is. At first we were slicing it and dicing it on the plate here, and it was sliding all around, and it looked like it was kind of a painful experience. It didn't work so well, but now that we've got it on a flat surface, it seems to be working pretty dang good now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, works pretty slick. Did you say it's worth $7? Is it sturdy? It's pretty sturdy, right?
Pretty sturdy.
Pretty sturdy. That is the Corn Cutter. Corn Cutter 3000.
3,000, yeah. I'd say it works.
So the best way we found to kind of freeze corn is to just cook it. And just take it off the cob and put it in little bags like so. Or you can use, I don't know, could you use something else? I can't think of anything else that would work really well. I guess you could put it in freezer bags or something like that, and just try to get all the air out of it. And it'll last a really long time. And it still retains most of its flavor that way.
Mm-hmm. This will probably be ate within the next week or so, so I'm not too worried about.
But it'll keep longer than that. It'll keep 6 months to 9 months.
Mm-hmm.
And still have all the good flavor.
Yep.